What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. So it's time to get the Snot Rocket fixed. The last time we rode it, I upped to a 79 tooth sprocket, which was too big for the chain guide, whatever you want to call it. I 3D printed some larger chain guides, and because we kept throwing the chain actually got wound up and bound in here behind the torque converter, and it destroyed the chain. So we got to pull the chain off and get this fixed up and get the new chain guards on, air up the tires. And my goal by the end of the day is to try to do a cookies in the garage. So that's the goal for today. I got the cars cleaned out. We had the Christmas party in here last night, so there's plenty of room for activities. And I think there's enough room to pop off some cookies in here without trashing the place. So we're gonna find out. Let's get this thing fixed up.